Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. So in this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on radicals, no? Sa previous video, napag-aralan natin that if you want to uh, find the square root of expressions na may variables, then we need to consider the index. No? So una, i-consider natin yung index, no? Dahil there are instances na kailangan natin maglagay ng absolute value sign. So, kailan yon? Kailan tayo maglalagay ng absolute value sign? Maglalagay tayo ng absolute value sign if the index is even, no? And the power of the root is odd, no? So, for example, yung sa number 1, ano ang index ng square root? Ang index ay 2, di ba? Yung number na nandito, no? Although pag square root hindi natin nilalagay. And yung root, no? Ang square root of y squared is y. If the power is odd, so anong power nito? Power nito ay 1. You put the absolute value sign. Okay? So yan ay absolute value of y. Now, kung hindi nyo naiintindihan kung bakit natin yung ginagawa, panoorin nyo yung previous video, no? So, for number 2, meron tayong ang index natin ay 2, no? At ang root natin ay square root of x to the 24 is x to the 12. Diba? Kasi yung x to the 12 times x to the 12 is equal to x to the 24. So, even yung kanyang root, pero even yung kanyang power, meaning hindi na natin kailangan lagyan ng absolute value sign. Do not put absolute value sign. Well, hindi naman do not, pero there's no need, no? So, meaning okay na yung x raised to the 12. For number 3, we have 4th root of a to the 12. So, ang index natin ay 4, it's even. And yung ating root ay a cubed, diba? Dinidivide lang natin yung 12 by 4, that's a cubed. So, even yung ating index and odd, no? Yung power ng root. No? So, meaning we have to put absolute value sign. Dito, since odd yung ating index, there's no need to put absolute value sign. So, lagi lang natin titignan yung even. Pag odd, automatic na hindi na tayo maglalagay ng absolute value sign. So, 18 divided by 3 is 6, no? So, this is z to the 6th. And lastly, we have 5th root of t to the 35th. And we know that this is an odd index. No, sorry. That's an odd index, and therefore, there's no need for you to put the absolute value sign. So, magiging t raised to the 35 divided by 5. That's t raised to the 7th. No? And meron pa akong nakalimutan, may isa pa pala. That's 6th root of m to the 24th. No? So this is equal to m to the 24 divided by 6, m to the 4th. No? So again, kung titignan nyo yung ating diagram dito, even siya, pero even yung kanyang power ng kanyang root, which is 4. Therefore, there's no need to put absolute value. Okay, so again, kung gusto nyo malaman yung rason, no, kung bakit natin ginagawa yan, bakit tayo kailangan maglagay ng absolute value, no, pwede yung panoorin yung previous video kasi nandun yung explanation niya. Okay, so that's it. Sana may natutunan kayo dito sa ating maiksing tutorial. Huwag niyo kalimutang mag-subscribe, no, sa ating channel, and don't forget to like our videos, and of course, share our videos with your friend. See you!